So today, diet. All our intestines are dying. Let me tell you, that's why we talk about microbolic diet or microbiome diet. In microbiome diet, 2 weeks diet you have to follow. It is for 2 weeks. It is a must for you. It is a must for you. 2 weeks. Here the number of calories are fixed. You are 5 feet 9 inches above. You are 5 feet less than 5 feet 9 inches and 5 feet 4 inches and 5 feet 8 inches to 5 feet 4 inches or less than 5 feet 4 inches. Your surface area of the body, this is your surface, indirectly your body mass index, it is the surface area of the body, important. Understand, it is the height which decides the surface area. So what height you are, 5 feet 9 inches and above, 5 feet 8 inches, or 5 feet 4 inches, I am 5 feet 10 inches, so I fall into this category. Okay? Fix 1500 kilocalories, minus 150 kilocalories, 1350 kilocalories. And minus, so 150 kilocalories. This is your total kilocalories. If you want to follow how to restore, the research has shown, so when the total number of calories are reduced, it is not the fasting, the total number of calories are reduced, within 2 weeks, the gut microflora has restored. For 2 weeks, you have to follow. This is called a microbiome diet. A lot of research went behind in understanding this diet. It works fantastic, let me tell you. But certain things, what you eat in these 2 weeks, most important. First, let us come to, how much should be the protein, in our calculation, how much should be fat, how much should be carbohydrate, in this diet protocol. In this diet protocol, so the protein, 40% and 30% and 30%. So this is our 40% protein, fat protein, because protein will enhance your gut microflora, good gut microflora very quick. The worst is fat and the carb, so 30% of 30%. So 1500 calories, protein 40% means you can see, 600 calories should come. So 30% means, so 450 kilocalories. 450 kilocalories should come from protein. So now, for 1350, you calculate, so for 1350 into 40%, so 540 kilocalories here, kilocalories here, and so 480 kilocalories should come from the carb. Understand? Whether you use it or not, if you are a yoga teacher or I am telling you, even you follow it, you will feel in 2 weeks you can't imagine, all parameters gets normalized. I will be giving you first 2 weeks a microbolic diet, and then next 2 weeks a prebiotic diet, next one is probiotic diet, next prebiotic diet, probiotic diet, then metabolic diet. Understand? So this is 2 weeks, next again 2 weeks, next to 6 weeks program it is going to be. if you want to follow. Okay, so the number of calories will increase in the second phase, but first phase, first 2 weeks is the most important, which I am talking about today. So 1350, 1200. So 450, 450 kilocalories, 450 kilocalories, my dear, 30%, right? 405 kilocalories, 30% of 1350 calories, right? So again 405 calories, kilocalories. So for 1200, 30%, 360 kilocalories. Now, how many grams you are supposed to have? 600 divided by 4, 450 divided by 9, 450 divided by 4 carbs. Okay, 600 divided by 150 grams. 150 grams, right? 150 grams. 150 grams. 450 divided by 9. 50 grams. This is for the total day. And 450 divided by 4. 112 grams. Similarly, so 150 grams of total protein per day, 50 grams of the fat, and 112 grams of carbohydrate. Remember, 150 grams. Now here also 540 divided by 4, 405 by 9, 405 by 4 by 4. How many grams of carb? If your height is less than 5 feet 8 inches, So 1350 divided by 135 grams of protein and 45 grams of fat and 101 grams of carbs. Grams. Similarly, here, calculations, so it's better to show you, so 480 by 4, 120 by 4 by 9, 40 grams of fat, 360 divided by 4, 90 grams of the carbs. Okay? Say this. 3 years back, I think 2 years or 3 years back, one of my RYT 200 batch. In that batch, a lot of problems, health problems people had. Many are the old people or middle-aged. Of course, in India, people come to yoga only for when they have disease. Only sick people come, only disease. No one comes in India for fitness, unfortunately. Fortunately, So I have given this diet for one batch. So that's the diet, they loved it like anything. They really said all the problems solved when they followed the diet. 6 weeks diet I have given them systematically. Again, after 2 weeks only, I went for the next diet. So here also, because many of you coming from different ethnicities, different backgrounds, understand, you are from 166 countries diversity we have. 166 countries diversity of bacteria, microbiome inside for me. Understand? So for you, very important to understand the gut, the importance of diet, effect, diet on your microbiome. That's the most important thing. That's what Indian diet is all about if I explain you. In India, I have explained to you how the curry is prepared, but also in India, how to proceed. What is the 5-course meal or what is the 7-course meal? What is the 5-course meal in India? It is called a 5-course or 7-course meal. What that each course represents, very, very important. Because your gut microflora, as I told you, at each level is very important. Each level, the bacteria in the mouth has to be taken care, the bacteria in the intestine should be taken care, the bacteria in the duodenal loop has to be taken care, the bacteria in the cecum has to be taken care, the bacteria in the colon has to be taken care. There are different pHs, different pH, different bacteria. So your food has to keep, whatever you are taking, the food has to be to respect the pH, respect the microbiota inside your intestine. It should not harm. Many people think in India, what is there? I will eat first this, I will eat first this, later on I will eat that. Today people in India have forgotten what to eat first, what to eat next, what to be taken last. What has to be taken the last, they take in the first. That is purely to maintain. There is no such a diet in the world where intestinal microflora, the living beings inside you, is well understood. Very, very important to understand what to start your meal with, what to end your meal with, and post-meal, what are the things to be taken. Is a must. Before that, anyway, let me finish this job. So what we have? So 5 feet 9 inches, protein, fat, carb. Okay. 5 feet 9 inches wala, how much you have to eat, my dear? 150 grams. And 150 grams, and 50 grams, and 112 grams. 5 feet 8 inches wala, hey, 5 feet less than 5 feet 9 inches wala, you 135 grams and 45 grams and 101 grams. Yes wala, 5 feet 4 inches, 5 feet 4 inches, how much? 120 grams protein and 40 grams fat and 90 grams carb. Okay, the G, understood. All these are grams, okay, don't get confused. Only numbers. All in grams. Now, what should we eat in the morning, sir? So, the 2 weeks, I am telling you, you should not burden your bacteria. One thing you have to remember is, when your gut bacteria is disturbed, whatever you feed, you are feeding for both pathogenic, good bacteria, bad bacteria. For example, your bad bacteria is damaged. You have more bad bacteria. For example, Now you eat more fiber. You eat fiber, like I told you, 30 grams per day fiber. Is it allowed? Will it multiply good bacteria or bad bacteria? It will multiply bad bacteria only. It will multiply bad bacteria. When your intestine is not healthy, any fiber you give, it will multiply only a bad bacteria. Understand again. That's where fundamentally we do. These 2 weeks, you have to be, it is like you are admitted in the hospital and you are on the bed, so whatever is there, it is not for taste, in the hospital. So you are eating it. Even that much food, it is a healing food, So you are sitting in the hospital, post-recovery, diet in the hospital for 15 days. Whatever you eat, it is like that you should eat. All your theories will fumble now, these 2 weeks, because no fiber. Fiber should not cross. First fundamental thumb rule to restore your bacteria is your fiber should be less than 5 grams. Less than 5 grams. Number 2, raw vegetables, salads are enemies for the microbiome when your intestinal bacteria is not healthy. Once again, I am telling you, your raw fruit, your raw salads are enemies for your microbiome inside. I am not joking. For these 2 weeks, microbolic diet. Remember, for a microbolic diet, fiber is this. Number 2, no raw fruits or vegetables. Banned. Totally banned. No whole grains. Whole grains. No whole grains, no whole cereals. No oats, no millets. Nothing. No whole grains allowed. No brown rice. No brown rice. Understand? Only white rice. Only white bread. Only white bread. That too, remove the edges. Of course, in abroad, in a bread, you will remove the edges. But in India, people, we are miserly. For me, that is the most tastiest thing. Inside bread, white wala, no taste. But that, so the brown colored, so surrounding, that is very tasty. I love it. So that middle, you keep it, you eat it. But the last one is what, so bread means during my childhood, only when you get a fever, you will get 2 things you will get. One is apple you will get, and one is milk and bread you will get. When you are a child, I'm telling you, like people like me, So in India, all as a child, I wish days, I should get fever, So if I get fever, I get treat. So the treat is, apple I get, and then I get bread. So in India, hardly there are any bread companies. In Hyderabad, there's only one bread company used to be there, called Modern Bread. And so that is only available everywhere. That too, it is not available in the village. You have to go, a fever you got means, so parents, father will send someone going to the town. So get some apple. What quality apple, God knows. and you get one bread pocket. So, and when we get fever, my brother gets or myself gets, oh my God, you got fever, oh my God. Or you will have, because when he gets, mother gives a healthy child also a little bit, So, because mouth goes, the thing is easily digestibility. Of course, apple is very bad, but bread is really good. That's how we need. That is the right diet actually. When you are sick, you should give easily digestible. The white bread is the best. I'm telling you, that's what in my childhood my mother gave me, So I'm telling you, so it is very, very tasty white bread. And that surrounding it during this, not good. It's only, you have to remove the edges. Only the portion in the center you have to, the white portion, which is easy, Again, no, don't go for it. It is yeast fermented, soft white bread. No hard at all. No hard bread at all. No hard bread at all. Well cooked. Well cooked. Number 1, well cooked. Number 5. Thumb rules I am telling you. Slow cooked. Slow. अभी 10 मिनट में हो रहा है, कम से कम 1 घंटा तो लेना ही है. No high, no flame going high, dead. No flame, block. The big burners block it. Only small burners on your stove. And that too only sim, no high at all. No high at all. If the flame goes high, you are burning your bacteria inside. It's only low flame. Low flame. Sim. In India called the button called sim. Only in sim, no high. Only sim. All stoves, everyone knows in India, So I don't cook, but still I know. Because in the interest of food, sim. I love only sim. I don't love high at all. High means dead. You are killing your bacteria. You are burning your bacteria inside. For the 2 weeks, all the high button is changed. Block it. By mistake, someone again, by habitually you may put it. Understand? Only that is the most important is low flame. And for well cooked, thick, whatever you are cooking, thick vessel. I told you 5 layered, 7 layered. कहाँ जाना साहब अभी 5 layered. Don't buy just like that. People are all, as Kumar sir suggested, I brought this, I did this. Did I tell you that particular thing to buy you? Huh? You are blaming me. What you bought is not correct. Let me tell you. As Kumar sir said, I changed protein. What damn protein you changed? What do you know about the protein? Huh? Without even story over, you already predicted. I understood the story. What protein I have not even covered, my dear. Huh? Already I changed fats. What fats you have changed? Tell me. Don't talk all nonsense and blame again on the, my jo bhi guru bola, my follow. Whatever teacher told, I followed. And I ended up in a problem. I did not tell. My teaching is very clear. If I tell you what to eat, what protein I cover, that eat. I told you how to formulate. Have you formulated your oil like that? So, what? Slow, thick bottom. आपकी कुकर है ना, स्टेनलेस कुकर, कम से कम स्टेनलेस. अभी तो मैं जब तक आपको देता हूँ ना कुकवेयर, until I get cookware in India for you people. You are in UK, so we will supply. Today sample has dispatched the sample. So let us see how it goes anyway in India. Now I am getting it. In UK you have at least, so a reasonable level. You will get all the best cookware, 7-ply, 5-ply in America and all. You can easily go. But if you wait until my cookware comes, I don't know. I can't promise you when it will come. God only knows. It's over. Year's over. Almost 1 year over to the person I have given everything. At the end, he has sent me one useless, cookware. He said, is this the design I have given you? What did you do? Anyway, I will get it to you. So you have to patiently wait, or if you are already a patient, so better you buy something like, cookware, steel, pure steel, at least steel pressure cooker. Because a steel pressure comes thick. It is at least thick. At least there it is something thick, So the steel pressure cooker you take, so in that, don't apply the lid on the top, only cover it, and use this as cooking your rice or cooking your things. Don't again use the pressure again, quick. जल्दी होता है साहब, उसमें कुकर में लगाए तो प्रेशर अप्लाई करे तो जल्दी होता है साहब. No. So, lid, ordinary lid, that lid only, don't seal it, just keep it उल्टा लगा दो. उसमें अभी प्रिपेयर करो, करी प्रिपेयर करो, राइस कुक करो, पूरा वही कुकर में करो, प्रॉब्लम नहीं तो तवा. You take any kind of the saucepan kind of, you will get the pans with a high thickness. Like in IKEA you will get, So there is a 2 mm, 3 minimum of 6 mm should be the thickness. Minimum of 6 mm thickness. Bottom should minimum of 6 mm. And it can go up to 12 mm. The higher the thickness, better it is. So these are the things must for to restore your gut microflora. So, समझ में आया? No raw fruits. Vegetables भी, even aloo खाना है, potato without skin, tomato without skin, brinjal without skin. After boiled, remove it without skin. And green leafy vegetables, no green leafy vegetables, no greens. Greens gaya mar gaya abhi ye 2 week mein. Understand? No greens, no cabbage, no cruciferous vegetables, no cabbage, no broccoli, no kale, no zucchini, no cucumber, all banned. No ivory gourd, no bottle gourd, only bottle gourd allowed. In India you will get lauki, only that is allowed. और क्या सब्जी, और क्या है मार्केट में, बोला ना कैसे यूज करना. So how to cook, which vegetables to be cooked. So remember the thumb rules of your today microbolic diet. As we go, next 2 weeks, slowly. Next we introduce prebiotics, fermented, little bit fermented, and little bit fiber we increase from 5% to 10% maximum. Why this is so? Because they found, actually the research has shown, the gut bacteria restored in this way lasted for a long time, almost 1 year. The intestines, the gut bacteria maintained very healthy. That's why this diet protocol will enormously helps for the bad intestines, to not just to restore your gut, but also to restore all the microflora. You feed excess, you are feeding bad bacteria to multiply. You're feeding less, not completely less. You're not starving, but you're feeding less, moderately you're feeding good bacteria. That's what scientists discovered, microbiome experts, the gut experts discovered. They're restricting the number of calories to precisely to that level. That's why I have given you the height-wise. And then the next step is to divide it into breakfast. In this plan, breakfast, lunch, and supper. The breakfast one, so breakfast should be super light here. Breakfast is like Shini of diet, like a fasting diet, So breakfast should be super light. If it is a liquid, it is best. Anything, like rice, so you have the starch liquid, so separately cook and take it out. It's in the form of liquid. Lunch and supper. Lunch and supper can be equally divided. And it has to be, your breakfast should be only 20%. And lunch 40%. And supper 40%. You can increase supper, because they found actually, so you can make it 30, you can make it 50. So that you sleep well. If you don't eat, you can't sleep well. So 20, 30, 50. You can even keep it 10 percentage, I'm telling you. So you can keep it 10, 40, and 50. Or you can even keep 10, 30, and 60. These are the ratios in which you can divide to be successful. This is the breakfast, that the number of carbs and protein and fats, all these things you have to divide in this ratio. So 20%, so 20% of 150 grams means it should not be more than 30 grams breakfast. Okay, so we will divide based on this. The next step is, remember those, so we will write here 20, 30, 50, 10, 40, 50, and 10, and 30, 60. Plants. You can reverse all the diseases. Understand? If it is not worth, I wouldn't spend time for you. Understand? So now, breakfast, and breakfast, protein and carb, fat, carb, breakfast and lunch and supper, right? So breakfast. So first we will take this, 5 feet 9 inches. 5 feet 9 inches you take, so first you take 20%, so 20% of, so protein, so how many? So 30 grams. So 30% of, so lunch, so 20% of, so of this, 20% of 5, and 20% of 112, so 22, so 20%, 20% of 112, so 22 grams, 23 grams. This is your breakfast, right? Then for the lunch is, this is a breakfast, this is a lunch. 30%. 30% of 150, 30% of 150, 45 grams, and 30% of 50, and 30% of 15, and 30% of 112, 33, 34 or 35 grams. Okay. Now, supper. Supper is 50%. 50%, 50% is 75 grams and 25 grams, right? 50% is 112, 60, 55 grams. Okay, 56 grams you take. Carbohydrate for the breakfast, lunch, and supper. This is your plan. Breakfast, protein itna रहना, fat itna रहना, carb itna रहना. Protein 30 grams, fat 10 grams, carb 23 grams. 23 grams. क्या है 23 grams? एक इडली बस 23 grams. 2 bread pieces, white bread pieces. Or the liquid is the best. I'm telling you, so you can take any rice flour. Best is our somarasa, somarasa. Take our somarasa, and so vegan protein and somarasa, you will have all these things fulfilled. You can add a little bit of into that. Anyway, you add a little bit of rice flour or anything. So cook it. You have to cook very well any carb, so it will be over. That's all. So 30 grams and 10 grams and 23 grams enough. One somarasa enough. Somarasa with little bit of carbs or fat means already it contains whatever I think. 2 scoops of somara, 1 scoop of somara, one is pre-workout before working out yoga. After working out yoga, 2 scoops of somarasa you have. That's enough. You will get everything. Your breakfast is over. Nothing else is required. In case if you don't have somarasa, so protein, best is to consume. Your pulses, no pulses. During this period, no pulses. Your system cannot. I'm telling you. So, give the 30 grams of protein in the form of egg if you are non-vegetarian. Egg white. Boil it properly, but egg white also. It is not really easily digestible. That is the most easily digestible albumin, but still. So that is what is possible for a non-vegetarian if you want. Egg white is only the thing allowed. If you are a vegetarian, then best is whey protein. Concentrate, our whey protein concentrate is the best. Straight away you will get 30 grams, you will get. That you can add. Vegan protein means you can heat it, you can drink it hot, but if it is a milk protein, you have to drink cold. You have to drink cold. That's why better you use vegan protein. Vegan protein concentrate is the best. Right. So fat, so 30 grams protein. So in case if you don't have, further you have to go for fish or something, that too well cooked, slow cooked. Subeh, morning. Egg is better. So later on, maybe for supper you can have fish if you are a non-vegetarian, salmon or tuna, or marel in India. So very easily digestible, slowly cooked, prepared. Fat. So our oil, you have our fat, our oil. So MUFA and PUFA ratios I have already given you 10 grams. And means 1 tablespoon is 15 ml. 1 tablespoon, approximately is 15 ml. So 2 teaspoons, it comes to 2 teaspoons is 10 ml. 2 teaspoons oil can add. So carbs, calculate, weigh yourself. No fiber, as I told you. Remove the fiber. No fiber food at all. Whatever naturally you will have fiber, that's enough. That will be less than 5 grams. So you don't have to add anything. Anything high fiber you should avoid. That is the breakfast. Similarly, lunch, 45 grams of the protein. So here also you can have either whey protein concentrate as a vegetarian because the source of protein, so otherwise what? You will get, how much you will get? Even 1 kg you will eat, carbs will be more. If you eat pulses, if you eat chia and all, again mucilaginous, so again fiber, it will be a problem. So better to consume all your protein through a whey protein, vegan protein or a whey protein concentrate. Here you can add something good. So whatever the food you will have, you can prepare it for the lunch, so lunch, fat and carbs, so you can add oil and vegetables. So soft vegetables also contain carbs. You have to minus those carbs in the vegetables. And so vegetables like, as I told you, water gourd, easily digestible vegetable, tomatoes without peel, fully ripened tomatoes, not unripened tomatoes, fully ripened tomatoes, fully matured vegetables only. As I told you, even brinjal is not allowed, brinjal is not allowed, not a good at all. And no green leafy vegetables, restrictions are many. So whatever the vegetable you have, bendi, even bendi is not good because it contains way more fiber. So otherwise, ivory gourd is okay. So you have to cook it very, very low flame you have to cook. So now your choice of vegetables comes. Sweet potato you can use. Sweet potato you can use. Potato you can use without you're peeling it. Or carrots, right? Carrots and beets you can use. Carrots have to be well cooked. Not beets, but carrots. Carrots have to be well cooked. Slow cooking and well cooked. Skin has to be removed. And they have to be well cooked. Carrots and all. Carrots you can have. No radish allowed, Then what else you have? So other tubers, easily digestible you can use. So you have in India like, so soft and, so very slippery, that also you can use, no problem. So you can use it as a source of little bit of protein and carbs, it comes. And rice, white rice or white bread you can use. Similarly, supper, protein 75. In this scale, 20, 30, 50%, 75 grams of the protein. So you can cook if you're non-vegetarian little bit. If you're a vegetarian, yes, you can have paneer. Well cooked, or best is again consume a somarasa, calculate somarasa, and with some whey protein you divide 20 grams and somarasa 20 grams, and so fat and so carbs you can have. Some cereal, so not cereal, rice cooked, upma prepared, So in India it's called upma, or you call poha, white poha. Poha again contains more fiber, so try to minimize it. So prepare upma is the best white porridge. So cook it very well. Rice rava or wheat rava you take, rice rava or Bombay rava, whatever you call, and cook it very well and have it. Or roti, so you can have roti, ordinary, not whole, ordinary wheat, sharbati wheat. You can have, our wheat is fine, black wheat is fine. So wheat you calculate, calculate the weight and add the same oil into the wheat and have roti with carrot curry. So that's enough. So this will help you enormously in this way if you divide. I have given you sample of 5 feet 9 inches wala for the breakfast, for the lunch and supper. What are all the things he has to take? Calculate meticulously. So similarly 10, 40, 50% and 10, so 30, 10, 30, 60%. So you can divide in the lunch. So but this is a sample. it will work out very well for you. And then this is for the breakfast and for the lunch. So some maybe suggested meal plan. I think whatever I have given to my students some time back, 2 years back. So maybe if we have, we can give it to you, we can send it to you. But otherwise, there is a way. The more important is you have to use your brain. You use your brain, you calculate, thoda medho madan karna ji. So you have to churn your brain, then only it will program. It is not ready-made supply. You have to calculate yourself, understand. At least in that way, I make you to think, I make you to search. I can give the guidelines, these are the most important things. Next, so similarly you can calculate for 5 feet, 8 inches. Sir, so sorry for you, calculate for yourself, sir. What about me, sir? I am coming to you now. I will tell you what to eat, what are the things to be taken. But first, how much carb, that should be clear on our plan. I have a plan of 20, 30, 50 I am explaining. In this plan I am explaining right now. So breakfast time, lunch and supper. So breakfast, lunch, supper. So now 135 grams, 135 grams. So breakfast, 20%. So 27 grams, and lunch, 45. So yeah, for the fat, 45, 29 grams. And carb, so 20%, 20 grams, right? So lunch is 30%. So 135 grams, right? Yeah, 45. So yes, so 30% lunch, 30%, 135. $40 grams and protein, fat 45, so 30%, 13.5 or 14 grams you take, 14 grams you take, and then 101, 30%, so 30 grams. And now, so supper 50%, 75 grams, and 25 grams, and 55 grams, so 135 grams, right, 135, 67, 67, 67 grams, and 45, 23 grams, 22.5 grams, 23 grams, and so 101 is 50, so 50 grams. This is for 5 feet 9 inches. So breakfast कितना रहना, lunch कितना रहना, supper कितना रहना. Breakfast में 27 grams protein, fat 9 grams, and carbs 20 grams. Weighing machine, weigh it properly. And then lunch, 40 grams protein, and 14 grams fat, and 30 grams carbs. And for supper, 67 grams protein, and 23 grams fat, and 50 grams carb. Next, this is next last one, 5 feet 4 inches. जो 5 feet 4 इंच से कम है हाइट, इनके लिए क्या कितना रहना, प्रोटीन क्या रहना, फैट क्या रहना. सो कार्ब कितने बच्चे रहते हैं, सो उनको कम height wise. So whatever the way it is, height is a criteria as I told you. Next, for this, अभी इसके लिए 5 feet 4 inches, less than 5 feet 4 inches. So 20%, 30%, 50%. So 20% breakfast, 20% breakfast. So put 20%, 24, 20%, 20%, 8 grams, 20%, 18 grams. So 30%, 30%, 36, and 30%, and 12 grams, and 30%, 27 grams. And supper, 50%, 60 grams, and so 20 grams, and 45 grams. So आपकी breakfast में 5 feet less than 4. Hey girls, majority of your children, So for protein 24 grams, breakfast fat 8 grams, and carbs 18 grams, and lunch 36 grams, 12. You can have what else allowed? So friendly, microbiome friendly drinks. One is Somarasa, I told you. Another one is you can drink. What allowed? Tea and coffee are friendly, but not too much. Our coffee Somarasa one time allowed. Our tea Somarasa is the best, one time allowed. Whatever Somarasa you are taking, tea and coffee, you can have it. So two morning one Somarasa, evening one Somarasa will match, and plus whey protein, morning one scoop, evening one scoop will match. So 80 grams it comes, 40 grams, and with Somarasa, morning one scoop, evening one scoop, and so will be sufficient to maintain, so to balance your gut microflora. So tea or a coffee, always understand they are bacterial friendly, they are not detrimental, but you should drink water, and coffee should be of highest quality, tea should be of highest quality, and they are the best. Cocoa also, good cocoa also is a good bacterial friendly, but mainly tea and coffee are allowed, because cocoa with a fat is very detrimental. Cocoa, you are not sure what quality, it is not our cocoa, right? So you should be very careful about. So this is your meal plan for microbiotic diet for the 2 weeks to restore your gut bacteria. There is no other go. Let me tell you, it will allow everything to detox, it will allow everything to purify for some time. So you can, what all you can add to, so you can have digestive enzymes, you can add digestive enzymes in our Somarasa, you can add probiotic, you can have, these all will help supplementation, that's all. You can have multivitamin, you can have DHA in the night, ZMA you can have, that is okay, that is allowed. But these are the things which you have to maintain. The diet part I have covered. Macronutrients I will cover later. So today we covered about the next 2 weeks. If you want to follow your health issues and sluggish, it will help you feel much lighter when you follow this diet protocol. I translate it for you in terms of, so further I will simplify it. I told you how much protein, but क्या खाना है, so मैं बताता हूँ. So what to eat. So in the Western, your things are different. In India, things are different. So whatever you allowed, in general I can give what are all the things you can consume. As a Westerner, as an Indian, for the breakfast options, lunch options, and supper options, I will try to work it out, and I try to get back to you by tomorrow. So I don't want to overburden. Today, important class it is all about. Today it is all about, very important, it's all about microbiota. Prepare yourself, go on to the Wikipedia, study about gut microbiota, study about skin microflora, skin flora, study about vaginal flora. Always I explain you about that. So what I have explained, they don't use wisdom. What you will read here is only knowledge. What I give you is the wisdom,